A big part of judicial ethics is about treating people with dignity and respect and ensuring that others are treating them with dignity and respect. So I think that a major part of diversity in terms of LGBT issues is making sure that judges and the court are fulfilling that role. Also, the court deals with people from every walk of life. And in California, in every single county in the state, we have same-sex couples who are married. We have same-sex couples throughout the state who are raising children, who in so many different ways come to the court to help resolve any issues that they have, whether it's property, family, custody. So understanding the litigants who come before us and the people who come before us and our court staff and our colleagues is a major part of that. When I was in high school, I was lucky enough to participate in a week-long summer camp dealing with anti-bias and racism, sexism, homophobia. This is in the very early 1980s. And that gave me the ability to really understand diversity, understand the privilege I have as a white man in society, understand how to deal with my own coming out issues. So I came out at a pretty young age. I actually came out on the front page of my college newspaper, and within a year was Associated Students president, which has kind of taught me that coming out is not always going to end up being a bad thing. And letting people know who you are and sharing your authentic self is not always a bad thing, and actually can make positive change. When I became a lawyer, there was just a handful of LGBT judicial officers in the state. Steve Lax, the first openly gay or lesbian judge in the world, who, when he was appointed to the bench by Jerry Brown in the late 1970s, the newspaper headline in the Los Angeles Times was something to the effect of governor appoints avowed homosexual to the bench. And to look at how far we've come now, where it's really in California not an issue. That doesn't mean it's not an issue everywhere in the country. It doesn't mean it's not an issue everywhere in the world, but the chance for so many of us to pave the way to make it easier in the future is really a great opportunity, and that wouldn't have happened for me if I hadn't had such good experiences early in life.